welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. My name is Lovelia Jackson and I'm making different type of videos. Today, I'll be heading to Home Depot and Lowe's looking for a new refrigerator. Our fridge is most likely 15 years old, and yes, it did serve us a long time, making the most out of it. After running some errands, we noticed that our fridge is not as cold as it normally is. So today is the day looking to buy a new fridge that suits our family's need. In this location, there's not a lot of refrigerator you can choose from, and most of them are out of stock. After Home Depot, we went to two Lowe's locations, one farther from us and the other nearby. Here are some guides to buying a refrigerator. First, consider kitchen space before you buy a new fridge. Second, choose a refrigerator's features you'll use. Third, select your desired color and finish. Fourth, pick a specialized storage and capacity. Fifth, choose your style and layout. And of course, the budget. Alright friends, in my next video, I will update you on the model I picked and when it is delivered. Please consider on watching my recent uploads, and if you have any suggestion, feel free to comment down below and I'll do my best to film and or get back to you as soon as I can. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I uploaded a new video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.